Aqualand Koln is an indoor water park in Germany located near Phantasialand. This park specifically is located halfway between Dusseldorf and Köln. The park has just 9 slides, but they have a nice mix of ride types and thrill levels. In this video, I will rank the park's top 5 water slides. If you are wondering which slides missed the cut, it will be the 2 smaller slides for kids, as well as the 2 adult body slides that are super slow. Both Red Star and Aqua Racer move at glacial rates. I even got stuck on the ladder and had to manually push myself down, which is not ideal. Now let's jump to the list. These are easily the park's best 5 slides in my opinion. Number 5, Aquaconda. This is the park's water coaster, but temper your expectations when you hear water coaster. It does not have the large airtime-filled drops the model is known for. It feels much more akin to your standard tube slide, where you have a gradual, windy downhill gradient. There are 2 uphill segments that exist solely to rebuild potential energy to extend the duration. One quirky feature with this slide is that the trough is super wide. You can spin sideways or backwards at points, which makes it more exciting. Number 4, Space Typhoon. This is a body bowl slide. There are some slow turns at the start. They have some nice lighting effects and build anticipation. Then, you have a zippy curved drop into the bowl. You quickly decelerate though because the bowl is filled with water. You then stand up and exit a second, very short slide in the center. I prefer the ones that dump you into the splashdown pool directly, but this makes the slide much more accommodating because you don't need to be a strong swimmer to experience it. Number 3, Aqua Canyon. This is a turbulent body slide. It feels like a river rapids ride of sorts. The turns are sharply angled walls, so instead of riding along them, you wildly bounce off them. This causes water to be splashed in your face. While the slide is not overly tall or fast, the unique turns provide an out-of-control experience. The constant bombarding of water is super disorienting and conceals what comes next. Number 2, Boomerang. This is a half-pipe style slide. The initial drop is steep, so it is quite punchy. This is followed by a wall offering some weightlessness. Adding to the chaos are the tubes themselves. They are super small and they have no handholds, so you feel unstable almost as if you'd fall off the whole time. I never did though, nor did I see that happen to anyone else. And coming in at number 1 is Looping. This is a trapdoor speed slide. You board a capsule, and after some audio, the floor suddenly drops. The initial plunge is near vertical, so it offers a freefall sensation. This is followed by an inclined overbank. It is tighter than other slides like it, so you fly through it. This is a fast-paced slide and easily the park's most extreme attraction. And despite the intensity, it is perfectly smooth. Those are my 5 favorite slides at Aqualand Koln. What are your thoughts about this park's slide lineup? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this countdown, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like, and you consider subscribing, because there'll be a lot more roller coaster and amusement park videos here at Canopy Coaster. Thanks for watching.